Go, boys, go, they'll time you every breath, and every day you're in this place, you're 2 days nearer death. But you go, boys, go, they'll time you every breath, and every day you're in this place, you're 2 days nearer death. But you go. A process man am I, and I'm telling you no lie. I've worked and breathed among the fumes that trail across the sky. There's thunder all around me, there's poison in the air, there's a lousy smell that smacks of hell and dust all in the hair. And it's go, boys, go, they'll time you every breath, and every day you're in this place, you're 2 days nearer death. But you go. I've worked among the spinners, I've breathed in the oily smoke, I've shoveled up the gypsum, it's nigh and makes you choke. I've stood knee deep in cyanide, gone sick with a caustic burner. I've been working rough, I've seen enough to make your stomach turn. And it's go, boys, go, they'll time you every breath, and every day you're in this place, you're 2 days nearer death. But you go.